Hi, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel Arti-culate with Gauri Kamboj.
Hello, dear friends. Today I bring to you another art based video. Here is a painting of a tree with a poem, When I Am Among the Trees by Mary Oliver, inscribed on the painting. A sort of illustration of the poem. It is wall art with a clear message in words. Some time back, I was commissioned by a colleague to paint a canvas as an housewarming gift for her family friends. The canvas needed to depict a traditional villa in a rustic location as background, with a poem composed by my colleague for the occasion inscribed in the foreground. We both thought that this would make the best housewarming gift ever. Wall art with a personal message for the occasion. For this commission, I began, of course, with a blank canvas, 1.5 foot by 3 foot long, narrow and long, perfectly shaped to inscribe a poem of 4 stanzas. Next, here are displayed my brushes and paints that I'm planning to use. Acrylics, the color palette being greens, blues, and yellows. Also, a Camlin permanent ink pen to inscribe the poem in the foreground. I like to squeeze out my paint on a moist cloth to prevent it from drying quickly. The background wash will be given in green and blue, covering the entire canvas. The downward drips, when turned around, will create the outline of trees. Now that the wash is dry, I create the outline for the villa. No pencil is used as pencil marks are difficult to erase. Next is the actual painting. The multiple roofs, walls, the shadows, as well as the bright sunlit walls. A mystic mood is created with ivy leaves at the edges. So this is the final look. The rustic villa is on the right while leaving space for the poem on the left. The poem was meaningful and heartfelt. The canvas had both the poet's name as well as the artist's signature. Please comment to let me know what you think about this gift. Would you commission something like this for a friend? Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.